In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Zoom chat. As we navigate our way through countless virtual meetings, knowing how to manage your chat history can be a helpful skill. Maybe you've sent a message to the wrong person, or perhaps you've made a typo that you'd like to correct. Whatever the reason, deleting a message in a Zoom chat is a straightforward process. Let's walk through these steps together and ensure you have the tools you need to manage your Zoom chat effectively. First, you'll need to open Zoom on your device. You likely already have it installed, but if not, make sure you download and set it up beforehand. Once you have Zoom open, navigate to the chat section. This is typically located within the main interface of Zoom, often represented by a chat bubble icon or accessible through your main menu. This area is your communication hub within Zoom, allowing you to interact with your colleagues or friends easily. Next, you'll want to locate the specific message that you wish to delete. This could be in a personal chat or a group chat, depending on whom the message was sent to. It may take a little scrolling if you've been involved in a lot of conversations, but once you find the message, the process becomes quite simple. Now, hover your mouse cursor over the message. This will make additional options appear. This hovering action is essential because it's not immediately obvious how to delete a message until you perform this step. You'll notice that a small menu appears. This menu offers different options for interacting with the message. Within this context menu, you'll see a button labeled More. Click on this button to reveal further actions you can take regarding the message. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options as they provide a variety of message management tools. However, for today's purpose, we'll focus on the delete feature. Once you've clicked More, look for the option that says Delete. Selecting this action will directly prompt the next step in the process. Keep in mind that this action is permanent, and once a message is deleted, it cannot be retrieved, so be certain that you want to remove it. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the message by clicking Delete again. This additional step is in place to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring that you have the opportunity to reconsider if you need to. Confirmation is key in digital management, helping to avoid unintended data loss. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a message in Zoom chat. By following these steps, you are optimizing your communication experience, whether for personal clarity or professional necessity. Remember, effective digital communication starts with understanding and controlling your tools. Thank you for tuning in.